Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Big Style TV. You don't know this is a boy Big Style. And if you're not yet subscribe to the channel now. And make sure you hit that notification bell to get the latest videos that when we do it. Most of you already know that there's a big war breakout in East Kingston. I'm just here to give you a bit of update on that. That area is one of my community. I grew up there, so there's a lot I can tell you about there, and I can tell you that anytime violence broke out there, a lot of things happen. 3 people has been slapped away so far, and you know the meaning when we say slap away. The latest one is on Deanery Road Pharmacy. This is so sad. Me just wish the youth them, might just start think, just start think and realize say these violence don't make any sense. Most of them youth here born in it, grew up in it. Most of their parents was farmer, whatever. And now them come pick it up. So much of them friend, them cousin, them family, not them out no more. And them not realize say this is a endless thing when no make sense at all. But the funny, where them get all of these money, where them get all of these guns, you know what me I say. There's certain things we can't really talk on YouTube, but where them get all of these fire stick from. There's so much over the years. Trust me. Me just wish all of the decent and the upcoming people, them, some people now have no way can go. None of them is not fortunate like me, where can take for myself. Some people have to just stay in it same way. But it never easy. Me just wish the government, well, anyway, the government say, them are going to put some soldier in the community for 1 year. You know what them need to do? Them need to build there is a station. There's a station actually on Mountain View. But I think they need to really put a little camp over there, where the soldier them, cause trust me, yeah, the police them do a good job and whatever, but them need the JDF. Them need a JDF camp over there. Trust me, because as what me tell you, I know a normal place. Me just wish this war for the just done the youth them just open them eyes, stop killing off them one another. This really make no sense. When you go and you kill somebody and they come up and them slap with somebody, what the sense in that? That just continue non-stop. Trust me, this really make no sense. Anyway, like and share this video. Leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think, and how can the government improve, what can they do. And just tell me your feedback based on what's going on. Trust me, if you hear anything that me not hear, just let me know in the comment section, what is going on. Give me a feedback on based on what is going on. Thank you very much.